Welcome back to another video from Advanced in Car and this very pretty 2021 Gentian Blue GT4. This thing's gorgeous. This is the kind of thing that I would happily have. This is my sort of car. This is amazing, especially in the spec this customer's got it in. He's using it more for track use and stuff. So he's got half cage all fully bolted in, and then he's got the full carbon bucket seats. It's gone down the PDK route, so auto, that's for track. I would be more of a manual, but otherwise it's stunning. Cup 2s on it as well, so it's, yeah, serious bit of kit this is. And he's come to us today for just a little bit of help with a parking situation, obviously, because it's not going to be the easiest thing to park probably, what with the big wing and just general viewing out of it. So we've fitted some fully color-coded flush mounted Cobra rear sensors, and then a nice small reversing camera that comes through on his PCM 4. So we'll jump around the back, have a little look at how neat and tidy everything is, and then we'll show you all the image and yeah, go from there. Right, so obviously at the back here, I don't know how clear they're going to be. Hopefully they're not going to be the most obvious thing because we fitted them so nicely, and obviously they're colour matched, but you can just see these two outer sensors here. Obviously we fit them in as close to factory position as possible, so they look real nice and neat. And like I said, because they're colour matched and flush mounted, they don't stand out. Not really obvious and looking horrible or anything like that. And then that's obviously been paired with just a nice little aftermarket camera that's got a really nice small footprint. So it's a real nice, neat little camera that just tucks up and sits there doing its job. It's all waterproof and gives a really nice clear image. So we'll go and check that out and yeah, let's go and have a look. So obviously with a track car, you wouldn't tend to have, you know, parking sensors and reversing camera and things, but with this obviously being a road car as well, but mainly because of the full bucket seats and the 6-point harnesses, when you're fully strapped in and you're maneuvering around in the paddock at your track day or down in the pit lane or whatever, it's going to be useful to be able to just kind of sit there, you're strapped in, you're not trying to move around to look out the windows, and you can pop it into reverse, parking sensors come on, and the reversing camera comes on. Comes with the moving guidelines and everything. That's just a standard feature, and just gives you an idea of whereabouts you are and trajectory and things. And then obviously the sound, parking sensors, sorry, are just on an audible setting. They don't come through to the screen, but it just means you've got that and you can pick up on what's going on with the corners and things like that. So it all just works really nicely together, and gives this thing a lot more of a easier use factor, if you like, for parking and manoeuvring, things like that. So that's about it, really. If you've got something like this, another GT4 or anything like that, and you need something similar, you think that's going to be a useful thing, get in touch. You can check out some of the other Porsches we've done. I think we've done kind of 3 of these now, I think it is. So you can check those out, and yeah, get in touch with us, check out all the other socials and things, and we'll see you again soon.